So now before continuing this problem, I want all of you to please pause this video and write down this question and find the Laplace transform by yourself. Okay, it will be good for you, and then you can, if you make any mistakes, you can come by my answer and see where you have gone wrong. Okay, so this is my next question, that is find the Laplace transform of the signal. We also find the ROC also. Okay, so even though they have not asked, we can find that also. And here the question is 2 into e raised to minus 2t u of t plus cos h phi t into u of t. Okay, so here so I'm not going to apply any integration formula. I'm going to directly apply the equation itself. All right, so here the Laplace transform of x of t, the Laplace transform of x of t is equal to the Laplace transform of 2 into e raised to minus 2t u of t plus Laplace transform of cos h phi t into u of t. Okay, here I'm going to take 2 outside because 2 is simply a constant, so it will become 2 Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t u of t plus Laplace transform of cos h phi t u of t. Okay, so we know that the Laplace transform of e raised to minus at u of t is equal to 1 by s plus a, right? And also the Laplace transform, we also know this equation also, the Laplace transform of cos h ohm 0 t is equal to s by s square minus ohm 0 square. Okay, so we are going to apply this equation over here. Okay, so this means the Laplace transform of x of t is equal to 2 into the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t u of t is nothing but 2 by into 1 by s plus 2 plus the Laplace transform of cos h u of t. Cos h u of t is s by s square minus 5 square. Okay, so this is the answer, 2 by s plus 2 plus s by s square minus 25. Okay, so now how to find my ROC. All right, so here in my first term, here the pole is minus 2. When you substitute s plus 2 is equal to 0, then minus 2 is my pole, right? So therefore the real part of s in my first expression, the real part of s, since this is a right-sided signal, it will be greater than minus 2, right? In my second term, here my pole is, if you substitute s square minus 25 is equal to 0, which means that s plus 5 into s minus 5 is equal to 0, that is a square minus b square, right? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So that means here there are two of them, that is s, here it is s is equal to minus 5 and s is equal to plus 5 is the pole, are the poles of this second term, right? There are two poles for this, two poles. Okay, since this is also a right-sided signal, then my real part of s, the real part of s of the second term is the real part of s greater than minus 5 and the real part of s is greater than 5, right? Two poles, so there will be two ROCs. So that means the real part of s greater than minus 2, real part of s is greater than minus 5, real part of s is greater than 5, right? So what is my overall ROC? I have two conditions here. I have three conditions over here. The real part of s is minus 2, real part of s is minus 5, real part of s is greater than minus, all are greater than minus 2, greater than minus 5, greater than 5. Okay, so I have to choose one, so that means my ROC is that which one condition in which it should satisfy all the three conditions. Okay, so that condition will be the third condition, that is the real part of s is greater than 5, because all numbers that are greater than 5 are also greater than minus 5 and are also greater than minus 2, right? So this is my ROC of the final answer. Okay. Sigma JO 0, 5. This is my ROC. Okay, and this is my final answer. Real part of s is greater than 5. Okay.